what is or is there value in attempting to get diagnosed at this point? For context, I'm almost 40. So I support self identification, self diagnosis. Like, because whether you go for a formal evaluation or you self identify, the outcome will be how can you set up your life, your environment, your surroundings in ways that nurture your neurotype, your unique brain style, that allow you to thrive and don't continue to deplete you or cause that mental exhaustion. The benefit of getting a formal evaluation, however, is that now you qualify for ADA accommodations at work and at school. So you can't be like unfairly discriminated against for the ways that you're disadvantaged by executive dysfunction or emotion dysregulation or variable attention and those sorts of things that might be present for you. And so it's like a layer of protection. And some people, like I've had some people who came to me for a formal diagnosis because like they were pretty certain in like their identification, but they kind of just wanted that peace of mind of like knowing for sure. And so that can be an option as well, especially if you have folks around you who are continuing to deny the presence of your neurodivergence. Like, well, you just saw that on TikTok. You're just making that up. Like, no, actually, like this PhD like has also said, and I didn't need that, but just in case you needed it, like it's verifiable in all these ways. But again, self-identification and taking care of yourself, advocating for yourself, accommodating your environment to what you need is the most important.